How to check Fiverr analytics and gig performance. First of all, log into your Fiverr account and go to the analytics section in your dashboard. Here you can access important data about your gigs, including impressions, clicks, orders, and conversion rates. Next, analyze your gig impressions to see how often your gigs are being viewed by potential buyers. High impressions with low clicks may indicate that your gig title or thumbnail needs improvement. After that, check your click-through rate to understand how attractive your gig is to buyers. A higher CTR means your gig is engaging and compelling, while a lower CTR signals the need for optimization. Also review your order performance and completion rates. This helps you identify which gigs are performing well and which ones need adjustments in pricing, description, or extras. Finally, use these insights to make informed decisions. Optimize underperforming gigs, update title, description, tags and images, and monitor changes over time to boost your Fiverr sales. Regularly checking analytics ensures you stay competitive and grow your freelance business. Now you know how to create Fiverr analytics and gig performance. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.